Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Razwal and I post videos every week on how to do easy cocktails that can be done at home. If you haven't seen my previous video, check the link in the description below or you could check it somewhere up here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Planter's Punch. Planter's Punch is based with Angostura bitters, orange juice, pineapple juice, Grenadine and dark rum. So take your hurricane glass. If you don't have a hurricane glass, you can use any glass at home. Add about 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. You can add ice now. Add equal quantity of orange juice and pineapple juice. There you go. Add about dash of grenadine. Just let it sink in the bottom. There you go. And now all you need is to add 60 ml of dark rum. So you gotta float that dark rum. So take your 60 ml and make sure you pour it slowly. There you go. So to complete your drink, all you need is a garnish. So I'll be using an orange with a cherry. You just put it in and that's your Planter's Punch. Guys, cheers. Don't forget to mix the drink before you drink it. Anyway, cheers. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Don't forget to drop me a comment below and smash the subscribe button. Anyway, cheers and enjoy. Until then, peace.